Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to properly install and integrate the plugin for Shopify, your Shopify store, being Hugepod. So we'll be talking about its key features as well as the pros and cons, and talking about whether it's worth it to use as a plugin to supplement your store. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So right before I get into the actual steps of how to install it, I want to give you guys first a quick overview about what exactly Hugepod is, so you guys can get a better understanding and insight of how to use it for your store. So, um, what exactly is Hugepod? Well, put simply, Hugepod is a comprehensive suite of tools designed to supercharge your Shopify store's performance. So, it's a hub for tools, and whether you guys are looking to increase sales or optimize your marketing efforts or enhance customer engagement, Hugepod has got you guys covered. So, when it comes to marketing automation and analytics to personalized recommendations and customer segmentation, Hugepod pretty much gives you guys everything you need when it comes to the tools that you're going to use or apply to succeed in the competitive world of e-commerce. So, one of the standout features of Hugepod is its robust marketing automation. So when it comes to capabilities, imagine being able to set up targeted email campaigns and personalized promotions and abandoned cart recovery sequences, all without lifting a finger. So the cool thing about this is all of these functions are built into the application or plugin. So one example would be, let's see, well, with Hugepod, you guys can create sophisticated workflows that engage your customers at every stage of their journey, ultimately driving more conversions and increasing your bottom line, which is what we're after anyway. So, as far as the visualization of data analytics goes, as we all know, data is the lifeblood of any successful e commerce business. So, this tells you which formulas work and which don't. And Hugepod puts that power directly into your hands with its intuitive analytics dashboard. So, another cool thing is that its metrics such as sales performance, customer acquisition, conversion rates are all built into the plugin. And something like track key metrics and monitor sales performance and gain valuable insights into your customers' behavior. So all of this is happening in real time. So if you're armed with this information, you guys can make a data-driven decision that will propel your business forward. So in today's hyper competitive landscape, personalization is key. It definitely helps with standing out from the crowd, as your store is pretty much different from others. And with Hugepod, you can deliver tailored shopping experiences that delight your customers and keep them coming back for more. So examples of personalized recommendations based off browsing history, purchase behavior, and demographics are all included. So with that said, leverage the power of AI-driven algorithms to deliver final product recommendations that are relevant to each individual shopper. So what this means is that it increases the likelihood of conversions and boosting customer satisfaction. So another thing is that Hugepod allows you guys to segment your customer base with surgical precision by dividing your audience into distinct groups based on demographics. So you guys can filter it to something like search history or their behavior, or you can have deliver targeted messaging that resonates with each segment or each group within your Shopify audience. And whether you guys are welcoming new customers or rewarding VIPs or re-engaging at risk shoppers, segmentation definitely enables you guys to tailor your communication for maximum impact, driving engagement and loyalty. So, with that said, Hugepod and its myriad of benefits for Shopify users definitely help. So, whether you guys are a seasoned entrepreneur or just starting out on your e commerce journey, Hugepod has everything you need to succeed. So, now let's actually get to talking how to install Hugepod onto your Shopify store. So, the first thing that you guys need to do is you want to make sure that you're logged into your Shopify store and you're at your dashboard as an administrator. So, here's what it looks like. And the idea here is we're trying to get access to our Shopify store. And there are two easy ways to do that. Number one is by clicking on the search bar right here and typing apps. So by doing so, these results come up and you would want to go to the Shopify App Store. Now the other way is more straightforward. You simply need to click on the apps tab, just like this, and then select apps and sales channel. So we're going to do that. And here you'll see all of my installed plugins for my store. So here you can manage them, configure them as you like. And the idea here is we want to go to the App Store. So we're going to click on this button right here that says Shopify App Store. So this is going to pull up a new tab that'll show you a list of all of the compatible apps with your Shopify store. So what we're looking for here is Hugepod. So if you guys don't see it right away, I believe it's under a different name on Shopify. I think it was OPMD or something. But what you can do is click on the search bar and type down Hugepod. And okay, so here it is. ODM pod shopping, dropshipping, I should say. So we're simply going to click on it, and you'll see that you'll be redirected to their store page right here. And the thing about Shopify plugins is that a lot of them come for free, but others will charge you for their paid packages. And it goes without saying that the paid ones will come with more features and all of the bells and whistles that you'll need to actually run your store. So to install this, it's quite simple. All you guys have to do is click on install, like so, and wait for it to load. And the idea here is we're basically authorizing the application to integrate with our store. And to do so, you guys would need to click on install and basically let Shopify work its magic. So we're going to wait for it to load. And there are times when this will actually redirect you to their homepage, as you can see here. And from here, you're either asked to register to sign up for a new account, or connect one with either Google or Facebook. So either one is really fine. And when you do, once you sign up for an account, click on register, and you've successfully integrated Hugepod onto your Shopify store. Now you can use their dropshipping services. So as it says, create print-on-demand custom OMD pod applications, and more customization options can help increase your product sales. So with OMD pod, you can easily make customized print-on-demand OMD pod from images you can upload and publish them to your store. So it's a personalization app, or at its core, a print-on-demand application that customers can use when they go to buy at your store. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video helped you guys out, and if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And yeah, thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.